Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, September 26th. Well, hello sellers to 2013. For the first time this year, 5 sessions in a row of negative action. The E-mini S&P closed at 1685 and 3/4, down 6 and 3/4 yesterday. The low was 1684 and a half, so we only had a 10-point range and some muted action but drifting lower. Looking at the VIX though, the VIX did not rise. The VIX was actually negative on the day, down 14, even though the market was selling off, so that's something to watch. Looking at the Dow was down 76, 15,210. That was down 0.4% to lead the indexes lower. The Nasdaq was also off 13 at 3,200. Again, keep an eye on that VIX where we did not have that increase in volatility even though the market went down. The dollar index drifting lower, down another 25, 8044. That pushed the euro currency up 46, 135.25. 135.77, 135.80 was the high of last week. We'll want to keep an eye on that as resistance up above. Looking at bonds, bonds added another 20 ticks at 133.19 as rates continue to drift lower. We see crude oil yesterday down 47 cents around this 102 support. 102.66 was the close. Yesterday's low was 102.20, taking out the previous day's low on Tuesday at 102.30. So we'll look to see how this 102 level holds as support. Looking at gold, gold added $20 at $13.36 an ounce after making a new relative low at $13.05 the day before. So $1,300 is the level we want to watch on a weekly closing basis in gold. That was the previous breakout point. So after the market going lower against once again yesterday, where do markets stand here on this Thursday morning to start a new trading day? We're a little bit positive. We're up to 1687 and 3/4 in the E-mini S&P. Keep an eye on the level up above is 1705, which is the halfway point of these all-time highs we just saw at 1727 and the lows we saw yesterday just under 1684. 1705 is the number on the upside as resistance to keep an eye on. Looking at the Dow, it's up 15,225, and the Nasdaq's back up 10 points at 3210. Dollars up 9, 8054. That's brought the euro back down 135.11, holding above the 135 level, so we're off 14 ticks right now. Bonds are off 6, 133.12. The yield on the 30-year Treasury has drifted down to 3.67%. On the 10-year note, it's gotten down to 2.63. Yesterday, it was at 2.60 after being at 3% just a few weeks back. Crude oil up a quarter, 102.91, holding that 102 support after making new lows yesterday, new relative lows, new month lows anyways. Gold right now is down $2, up $2 at $13.38 as we stand. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive after 5 down sessions in the S&P. We're at 1687 and 3/4, up 2. We're right now yesterday we stood at 2% off of those all-time highs that we made just last Thursday. Dow futures are up 15 at 15,225. I will see you early Friday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.